guys, happy Thanksgiving. Today I am watching Freebirds, cause turkeys. I don't know. I don't know. I've seen this movie before. I gotta get like a cough drop or something. God. It's going away. Secret. Oh, my secret. Threw it across the thing. 5-second rule. Okay, I'm sorry. That was really chaotic. Okay. Right, I've seen this. I've seen this movie before. But it's been a really, really long time. Like, I watched this when I was like 5. And I don't think I've watched it since. So, I hope you enjoy my reaction. And let's watch a movie. I don't really remember what this movie is about. Except for, like, that there's turkeys.
Accurate.
Got it.
Except for the talking turkeys. That part is totally real.
Obviously, all turkeys can talk. I thought everybody... that is common knowledge.
Holidays. Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about.
Is that Owen Wilson?
Time to sit down over the holiday meal.
How come I didn't know he was in this?
I've tried to warn them. You don't get it. They're fattening us
Don't
up
worry,
so
Reggie.
they can eat
You're
us.
very skinny. I don't think anybody would want to eat you, though. No offense. But you don't got a lot of meat on your bones.
Really dumb. Turkeys are so dumb.
Oh, look at him.
beginning.
He's so
I
cute.
never felt like
I just swallowed my secret.
That's an awesome theory, but I think they actually call that the sun.
Well, that was... I just almost had a heart attack.
Give
Give him Reggie!
What?
That's so dumb.
Whoa, for being here today.
Or was I?
That's no Joe Biden.
For one of my favorite.
Yeah, good.
This is your pardon turkey.
Do they still do that? Do we still pardon a turkey? Did we even do that? Was that an actual thing? I have so many questions.
And that's Paul. He's getting a divorce.
Oh.
That's a bald guy. And that's the girl who likes my daddy.
Oh.
Don't tell anyone.
She's really exposing everybody here, huh?
You're the pardon turkey.
Wow.
I'm tired now.
Mr. President, you have returned to Camp David.
That's General Sagan. He's got issues.
He's got issues.
Marcia, she eats her feelings. We're gonna have so much fun.
Oh.
Promise, I will never,
This girl is
ever
tearing
leave you.
people apart.
Finally had it all.
He becomes best friends with
Perfect.
the delivery guy.
So, this is what it looks like on the inside. A time machine.
Oh yeah, they travel back in time to the first Thanksgiving.
Time machine.
I remember now.
What? Who told you that?
You did.
Just now.
Of course I did. I was testing you.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here. He totally.
He's so
Look, see how
dumb.
he's
He's
nodding?
like,
Hey, just because I'm following you does not mean I am following you.
I'm pretty sure that's exactly what following you means.
me.
But
You're gonna just write time machine on the.
yep, yeah, they did. Old Navy.
That, what type, Agent?
Turkey, sir.
That is very weird, Agent.
Copy that. How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce. Funny, right?
But seriously, we should deal with the contaminant.
Me!
I am not going up there.
I'm not going out there.
I'm definitely. Oh.
Sorry, bro. 2 weeks from the start.
Oh. That's pretty funny.
Steve? Steve's not here, man.
Steve's not here, man.
This conversation is
To me, we're perfectly safe.
Not safe. You're not safe at all. Yeah, they're in the trees.
Turkeys of ye olde time. We've come
Ye
from the
olde
future
time.
in a time machine named Steve.
Oh, my name's Reggie, by the way. I'm a Pisces.
I'm Jenny.
I'm a Pisces.
What's a Pisces?
Oh,
Whoa.
wow.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, your eyes just
Oh, I fell out of the nest when I was a baby.
Oh, so that's why
Aw.
your eyes...
What's wrong with my eye?
I'll go myself if you lack the courage.
Ooh.
I'll show you courage.
Oh.
Clancy. But he was sick on the boat, so that's not on me.
So that's not on me. Wow.
Standish.
Robin Waddles or...
Ew, no, Ranger is my brother.
Robin Waddles? What?
Inside, get.
Wow. I've never seen so many turkeys in one place.
No, he said wow.
So careful.
This is our
Aww. Look at him, so cute.
future. Our destiny.
I want
lies
one.
within.
Aw, this is so cute. Aww.
Yeah, maybe she does.
Walked, crawled, or flown. And I always get me quarry. These turkeys.
This man's got power
they're up to
issues.
something. So tomorrow,
Meow, meow, meow.
You had to marry a chicken.
Oh, I
Jenny,
see.
you will spring the hunter's traps. Take Reggie.
Yes! I said that out loud.
Ranger,
I do that all the time.
bring Jake with you.
Wow, you're really good at this.
Need to lie down.
So, tell me about the future. Tell me every little detail, but make it very fast.
These two are like always competing with each other. Yeah, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means either. Maybe? Are they gonna start like dancing? What? I don't. What's going on with these two? Oh, they have a space date.
Huh. Wow, I didn't
Oh,
know
a space
that.
date.
Isn't that
Me. My mother kept me hidden from the humans.
Aww.
Yes, sweetie. Now these eggs are our future, Jake. Take them and run, and don't stop until you find a safe place to start a new flock.
Mama, I'm scared.
I know you are, dear. But I need you to be brave now.
We're so proud of you.
Here you go. Careful now.
Guys, thank you, but you're gonna attract the people. Aw. Ah, man.
I failed.
Oh. Man, I don't know how you don't have any broken bones. Hey! Puppy? Just pull it out, Jake.
Always the tiny ones that really hurt.
Well, you almost did it. And you're leading a trail. God. Yeah, but he also let him right to you. This is a whole celebrated too early kind of thing.
We'll be heading home. To the future. Now that your mission is done.
Actually, there's one more thing I
Well, he doesn't have to.
ask you to come with me.
Well, nobody's waiting there for him. Aww.
Gotcha!
He tried.
Jenny,
Daddy!
Aww.
I'll always be with
Come
you.
on, everybody's gotta die. This is stupid. Come on.
My father loved this flock.
Did you guys like glue that together, or how's that staying
To give us
together?
ours.
Snap out of it, Reggie. We don't have time for this. Ah! Hey!
So he's the great turkey.
I'm breaking like 100 time travel.
He's got the
rules.
doorknob. He's the
Destroy
great
universe,
turkey.
But I don't have a choice. I'm so simple. It means I need to go find the great turkey. I bet he's behind the door that this opens.
Oh, come on. You
There
are
you
the
go.
great turkey.
Hey, everybody! Welcome! Giant egg. Looks delicious.
A giant egg.
What is it?
Yeah, that would definitely mess with time.
You should try the breadsticks too. They're delicious.
Oh, breadsticks. Breadsticks are great. Oh.
Shut up, fatty. Oh, hey, Jerry. Oh, hey, Mrs. Billow.
Did you just say shut up, fatty?
our pizza with your small dried fish.
Goodbyes are just hellos, carried across the wind till our paths intersect once again.
That's beautiful. And confusing.
Yeah, no, I was lost on that one.
Wild undomesticated.
All right. That was Freebirds. I really enjoyed it. I forgot how good that movie was. I've only seen it like once anyway, so it was really funny. I really liked it. I hope you enjoyed. I surely did. Don't forget to check out my Patreon and the link in the description to watch the full uncut, unedited version there. Comment down below some movies or TV shows you'd like me to watch, react to. Leave a like, but you don't have to. I'll see you next time.